this video, we'll show you how to install Tracks for Africa maps on your Mac computer. This video only applies to maps purchased as a digital download. Here's the list of videos you should have watched in order to proceed with this tutorial. The links are in the description. At this point, you've purchased Tracks for Africa maps on our online shop, and we've sent you an email with a download link. Click on the link and you'll be taken to our online shop's download page. If you're not logged in already, you'll have to log in using your username or email address and password chosen during registration on the Tracks for Africa online shop. On the download page, click on your desired product. In this case, you'll see it has two files, one for Mac and one for Windows. In this case, click on the Mac download link. After the download has finished, you can click on the zip file to extract the contents. Double-click on the extracted file. This will open Map Install and ask you to install the Tracks for Africa maps. Simply click Install and then you can close. The Tracks for Africa maps you purchased are now installed on your Mac computer. That's the end of this video. Please subscribe for more videos. Here's some videos to watch after this one. The links are in the description.